Smart bombs. Military, defense and national security. Taiwan's Kun-class submarines are in big trouble. Taiwan's Kun-class submarine program aims to bolster its naval defense, but significant design issues, procurement delays, and maintenance concerns have emerged. The first vessel, Kun SS-711, has faced multiple defects and won't be operational until 2029, 4 years behind schedule. Taiwan's plan to procure 7 more submarines before resolving these issues raises concerns about incompatibility and logistical complexity. With evolving supplier chains and construction methods from the US, Japan, and Europe, experts warn of a maintenance nightmare. Can Taiwan overcome these hurdles and create an effective deterrent against China's growing naval presence? Taiwan's Kun-class submarine faces delays and design issues. The Republic of China ROC Navy on Taiwan has had a domestic submarine program, the Kun-class, named for the first ship to be launched, also known as the Indigenous Defense Submarine IDS project, underway for many years. The goal is to build a fleet of attack submarines under the ROC's domestic ship, domestically built policy that will be constructed in shipyards of the national CSBC Corporation. So far, the Kun SS-711 is the single boat that has been produced in this class. This sub was launched in early 2024 from the CSBC shipyards in Kaohsiung, and there are another 7 planned before there are enough new submarines accepted into the fleet to be able to retire older models currently in service. The Kun-class visually appears to be an evolution of the design for the Dutch Walrus class that features a hybrid single-double hull. This class of submarine has 6 torpedo tubes, 2 sets of 6 mounted small openings for torpedo decoy launchers, and another 23 discharge ports for launching countermeasures. Most of the other official specifications have yet to be released outside of ROC Armed Forces channels. Basic dimensional data such as length and displacement have still not been unclassified. Sensors and other advanced systems. Although there is this resemblance to the Dutch design, the Kun-class boats are said to have been brought up to date by incorporating many new and more modern systems from the US, Europe and Japan. There has been support from the US for the design, and the boats will be assembled using Japanese construction techniques in the ROC shipyard. A Japanese team composed by hiring retired engineers from Mitsubishi and Kawasaki Heavy Industries are unofficially credited with also providing technical support for the program. Commentators taking only an external view of the boat observe the different sonar configurations show a cylindrical sonar interception unit above the bow and a large conformal passive array sonar on the lower side of the hull. The bow and side sonars together form the ear of the sea. The side-looking sonar located at the bottom of the side of the Kun can be said to be the important ears of the entire system. There are also 3 protruding drum-like appendages on the upper hull, suspected of being a tri-element ranging sonar. This design is the first domestically made submarine for the ROC, and has undergone considerable criticism for some irregular procedures, one of which was officially launching the ship in September 2023 without it ever actually touching water. Numerous unconfirmed reports were that subsequent design in port tests had uncovered what Chinese language reports called dozens of defects. Without these tests, while still at moorings not being completed successfully, there was no way to proceed on to sea trials. The ROC Navy has gone into a mode of what the same Chinese language